Come on, start it off, Bella. You're like, what is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to baby TikTok. To baby YouTube. Trying to grab everyone. I'm like, hi everybody. Hi. Wait, yeah you. Yeah you. Just kidding. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And I'm kind of far behind on posting just because I've been busy doing that stuff and other hi. And we've been doing other little projects here and there, but I just want to show you guys a little something. I mean, according from the title, you guys know what it is. It's gonna be this one's wide body. It looks way better than mine. But yeah, we got a federist. I entered a contest and for a wide body. But yeah, it's finally here. It's supposed to be for my car, but since my car has the mint rider, which I will show you guys that later. We got a little sneak peek. But yeah, we're gonna get to opening. Come on. It started. Alright guys. Let's watch her struggle to open this. Yeah, it's in German or Russian. It's literally in Russian. You can see that. But... Okay, come on.
Way to open it.
From here, enough. Turn down. You see how it says federist?
Yeah.
Make the letters go up and down. Like, yeah. That's your little top piece. You open that. I'm gonna fast forward this. So Bella, tell us what you think. Is mom taking so long?
What's the life of a 9-month-old?
Yeah, what's life was at 8-month-old, 8.5-month-old. You know how much you say? You know, you're just gonna laugh at everyone.
Oh.
Come on. You already wasted 4 minutes of people's time right now. Must be for the wrong car. I believe this is the track version of it. I believe. I'm not too sure. We're gonna find out, boys. We're gonna find out. I think those are the side skirts. I can tell you this, a lot better packaging than other wide bodies I've seen. Mint Rider uses a shit ton of foam. This one uses bubble wrap. I've seen some wide bodies that just literally bent in there.
Well, we're...
That's part of the side skirt. Oh, it's a 2-piece side skirt? What? I guess we should get this molded. Yeah. Why are you crying? Mommy taking too long? Yeah, she is. Huh. Alright guys. We're gonna get this all unboxed and we can show you one side. Because my battery's kind of 2 and... What's wrong? Damn, that is a 2-piece side skirt. Alright, like I said, let's get this unboxed and then we'll get back to it once we get everything out. Yeah, you. But an hour later, no, I'm just kidding. It's a lot of pieces. It's a 3-piece diffuser. I don't know how the hell we're gonna mount that up, but we'll figure it out. Literally, it's a 3-piece diffuser. It doesn't go, well, it goes like this on the bumper, but when you're looking at it sideways, it's gonna be like that. Bag. It's gonna be like that. So, and then there's a driver's side. Look at all those pieces. It's honestly wide, but not as wide as I thought it was gonna be.
But I like that. I don't
Probably
like
gonna be like a 10 and a half, 11 with like a 0 offset. But the front fender, I like it because it actually has to ship with the headlight. And then this little side piece. The 2-piece side skirt. I think we're gonna have to mold the side skirt on. I think the whole kit's gonna look good, better molded, in my opinion. So it kind of flows with the car because everything looks like sharp edges like the Subaru actually is. They'll probably get it molded. And it has like a 3-piece front lip also, so we get that molded as well. A 2-piece. 2-piece. 2-piece front lip. Yeah. The material is literally plastic. I think this is a lot better than fiberglass because you can actually mold this a lot easier, and I don't think it'll crack as easy. I never had a plastic wide body, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out, see how it is.
That's what came in the envelope.
See, federist, super good product. Hell yeah! So shout out to federist. Thank you guys again for doing such a support. Well, not really sponsored, but I can't believe we actually won this. It's gonna look pretty freaking sick. And 2 wide body cars, maybe mine's gonna be super wide, and then hers is gonna be decently wide.
But I like that.
I mean, it's not gonna be like aggressive as mine, but honestly, if this thing's molded correctly and nicely, it's gonna look so sick, in my opinion. So, but yeah, guys, let's see if we get a better angle so you guys can see. Yeah, I'll go upstairs.
Go in the loft.
So you guys can see a better view. Let's see.
The only thing we're missing in here is the car. This thing is huge.
I just kind of you go down a couple steps actually. But boom! Look at that. The rear diffuser literally comes with the rear diffuser.
Hold on.
You're driving. It literally comes with the rear diffuser.
And then Bella back here.
The rear quarter area, which is a 3-piece. The 2-piece side skirt, I don't know why they make it a 2-piece. Probably to ship it. Probably a lot easier to ship it than to have a big ass box with a huge ass side skirt. And then you got the front fender, the little trim piece or whatever you call it. The front lip, and of course the other side. I don't know. What do you guys think? Drop it the comment down below. You guys think it's gonna look fire? I'll put a render on how they did on my car, so you guys can see and have a nice little visual.
But also, what color do you think I'm gonna wrap?
Yeah, she's gonna wrap her car different color.
I might have changed my mind. Who knows?
Yeah, but you could probably also tell I have an IAG short block right there, another IAG short block over there, and then 2 heads.
And then a playpen.
Yeah, and a playpen.
Trade?
And a couple, wide bodies?
Yeah.
Oh, no, mine's already on. Mine's already wrapped and everything.
Okay, cool. So no.
No, but I think it's gonna look pretty badass. So, like I said, comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, subscribe because you guys don't want to miss this. I'm not gonna install it, but I'm gonna have someone install it and mold it.
I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss the big news.
Yeah. Also, we got big news. More big news.
Bigger than
big.
those.
Okay, yeah, bigger than those. Not gonna lie.
Bigger than those and the wide body.
Yeah. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, subscribe, hit the bell notification somewhere down there, or wherever it is, or I'll link it. I'll link it towards the end.
No, don't link it. Comment down below what you might think it is.
Yeah, or that.
Message him or message me and tell me what you think it might be.
Yeah, or that. But anywho, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I know it's probably a little short. Like I said, you guys are not ready for what's coming next for this video. Like I said, I'm sorry also for uploading this past couple of weeks. You know, I had some family stuff going on that happened.
He had to take time off.
Yeah, I had to take time off, take time for myself. You know, time to recover myself. But you know, now we're back on schedule. I'm gonna try to drop every Monday at least, or every Tuesday, or one of those days. But for now, this is the wide body. It's gonna go in her car. If you guys don't know her car, I'll post a video up here so you guys can see what car I'm talking about. So yeah, it's gonna be 500 horsepower, wide body STI, and then my car, which I'll give you. I know. I'll give you guys. I'm gonna give him a little sneak peek. I'm gonna give him a little sneak peek. 3, 2, 1. You guys didn't see that? That sucks. Yeah, you guys didn't see that? That sucks. You guys gonna have to wait until AJ brings my wheels. AJ, hurry up. Oh, no, I was kidding. Yeah. Trying to get those wheels on. Everybody's making fun of me because having the wheels on, my car looks like a freaking, I don't know what it looks like. It looks weird without wheels on. But I'm just gonna say, guys, these builds are just getting crazier and crazier. Big things. I give you guys another sneak peek. Woo! Woo! If you guys don't know what that is, then you guys don't know. But boom. Polished. Oof.
Babe.
IG. What? Another IG, another head.
Babe, don't I have to put one of the stickers on my car?
They don't have to. We want it, but if you want to.
It's pretty cool. This is official, guys. This means that it's...
Time for your close up. It's time for your close up. It's time for your close up. But yeah, guys. Alright. Like I said, I keep saying this many times, but this is not for this video, so make sure you go watch these 2 videos out real quick. These 2 videos out, and then make sure you go subscribe over here. And then I guess she wants to say bye. Okay. Mama, let's see your hand. Say bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Oh, she wants to.
Alright guys, peace out.